Jai Jendra, Namaste and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to solve the 85th question of the problem solving series and the 10th question of the topic linked list. The difficulty level for this question is medium and this question has been asked in Google, Meta, Microsoft, Amazon, Adobe and many other companies. Add two numbers. So we are given two linked lists and we need to add these linked lists as if they are numbers. And these linked lists are given in reverse order. That means that this linked list L1 is actually a number 342. So it has been represented as 243. Similarly, this L2 is actually 465. It's given in the question. You can see the question in the description. So this is actually 465. It is represented as 564. Now we need to add these numbers and give the numbers in the same way that it has given. Now since it has been reversed, so when we add the numbers, we start from the right side, the rightmost side, and then we move to the left side, normal addition which we do. So since it has been reversed, now we can add it directly here and here, here and here. Okay, and we can add it. So when we add this, so 2 plus 5 is actually 7. 6 plus 4 is equal to 10 is 0. Carry 1 and then 3 plus 4 7, carry 1 is 8. So this is our answer, right? In this example, 9 plus 9 is 18. 8, carry 1. 9 plus 9 is 18, carry 1 was 9. Again carry 1. 9 plus 9 is 18, carry 1, 19, 9. And we have 1, so this is 1. So actually 1998 is the answer. If we add 999 and it will be 1998, okay? So this is the answer. So how we'll code it? So if this is L1, L2, so we have to create a new linked list, okay, and return a new linked list which will have this summation, which will be summation of L1 and L2. So we need to give a linked list L3 which will be a sum of L1 and L2 values. So how we'll do it? We'll start from this one, we'll add it, and we will have the sum, and then say if the sum here is 9 plus 9 is 18, so we have to take its mod 10 of the sum, and we have to have a remainder, and that remainder will get added over here, okay, and then we'll keep on creating a new node and we'll add it, okay. Let's code it. If suppose the number is completed, L1 gets over, then we'll add the remaining numbers from L2, okay. Let's code it. It's simple. So we have a list node strict L3 and we create a new list node, new linked list. We give this as we give them in C++, we use this new to give the new allocation of the memory, and we give the number as let's assign it as 0, okay. So this L3 starts with 0 and we have a list node is equal to strict L4 that is equal to L3, so that we can return L4 because we'll be moving forward, right? So now while we have int sum equal to 0 and remainder is equal to 0, okay. Now we have the condition that while L1 is not equal to null, okay, not equal to null, and L2 is not equal to null, right? This null in capital in C++. So when this is not equal to null, then we have L3 we have sum is equal to L1 value plus L2 value, okay, and then sum is equal to and we have remainder is equal to sum by 10, sum is equal to sum mod 10, okay. We have got this. We have L2 next, L3 next, okay, is equal to new list node. We assign this as the new memory, L3 next, okay. Every time you have to create new memory, right? New list node. What is the sum? Whatever is the sum, we have this is equal to new list node sum. Now L3 will be moving to L3 next, L1 would be moving to L1 next, and L2 would be moving to L2 next. Fine, right? So that we can assign again. Okay. So once this is done, this will be completed. Now, okay. Also, if we are doing this, we already had the remainder stored, right? Remainder will come again. Since this will be coming again, we will have remainder value. So remainder value has to be added in sum. So L1 value plus L2 value plus remainder. Initially it would be 0, but then we can have remainder's value if sum is greater than 2. Okay, so remainder will also be here. Now we will have while L1, so if one of them is null, say L1 is not equal to null, this condition will terminate. Then if L1 is not equal to null, we will have the same thing we will do. Sum is equal to sum plus sum is equal to, okay, yeah, sum is equal to, it would be remainder, whatever the remainder value was there, plus L1 well, okay, and then sum is remainder is equal to sum by 10, sum is equal to sum mod 10, okay, sum is equal to sum mod 10, and then we will have L3 next is equal to new list node sum value, and L3 will be moved to L3 next, L1 would move to L1 next, right? L1 is null, this will be terminated. Same thing we are going to do for L2. Okay, while L2 is not equal to null, if this is not true, this is not true, and L2 is not equal to null, there are numbers still present in L2. Same this line of code will be written for L2 as well, right? Now, when all of them are null, all of them have become null, L1 and L2 have become null, we have this L3. Now, they will, here in this case, L1 has become null, L2 has become null, but there was all remainder that was there already, okay? So we need to add the remainder also. So if remainder not equal to 0, then L3 next would be new list node remainder, okay? And this will be done, and now we have this L3 everything, and then we will return at the end L4 next, okay? Because we have stored it 0, the list started with 0, but we need to move ahead and we will start with this value, right? So I think you have understood the question and everything is clear. The time complexity would be the size of the L1 plus L2, and see also soon the link to the question is given in the description. Please try it yourself and then come to my code walkthrough section. Here is the code walkthrough of the 85th question in the LeetCode platform. Add two numbers. You can see the example. This example is same that we have discussed. Okay, and this one. These are the companies that have asked these questions: Google, Amazon, Microsoft, a lot of companies, Nvidia, Oracle. Okay, so let's discuss the solution. Code walkthrough. This is the same code as we have discussed. Okay, everything is same. You can see the code. And yeah, if remainder is not equal to 0, L3 next is equal to new list node remainder, okay, and we return L4 next, okay. So everything is same, okay. L1 condition, we see L1 and L2, if both are not null, then we keep on adding this sum. If any one of them gets null, this condition will terminate, and we'll see if, okay, L1, if any element is present in L1, then we'll add with this sum, get the sum and store it in L3. If L2 is elements are present, we'll do the same for L2 as we've discussed, and if there is still remainder, then we'll store it in L3 next, and then we'll return L4 next. Okay, everything is clear, I guess. So we'll submit it. So it has been accepted. I think the solution is clear. You have understood this question and see you also in the next video where I'll be explaining the 86th question of the problem solving series and the 11th question of the topic linked list. Jai Jinendra.